In this video, we're going to be looking at how to find a perpendicular line. Firstly, if we have our line, we'll get that to there. I like to use white. So y equals mx plus c. M is going to be our gradient. Right? Now, perpendicular, I'm going to use this little sign here for perpendicular, to M is equal to negative 1 on M. Okay, so find the of the perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 4, and it goes through the point 1, 2. Okay? So, first thing we're going to do is this is our gradient, which is 3 or 3 on 1. Now from this, it's going to be negative 1 on M. So, perpendicular gradient is equal to negative 1 on 3. Okay? So, now it's going to be y is equal to negative 1 on 3x plus c. Now, to solve this, we're going to put this point here into this equation. So, y is equal to 2. 2 is equal to negative 1 on 3x, which is 1. Plus c. So, simplify. Negative 1 on 3 times 1 is just negative 1 on 3 plus c. So now we're going to add 1 on 3 to both sides, so 2 plus 1 on 3. So y equals let's try this in Desmos. One, 2, y is equal to 3x plus 4. So now, this is the equation of our perpendicular line, y equals negative 1 on 3 x plus 7 on 3. There we go. So it's perpendicular, because we can see that there's a right angle there, and it passes through the point 1, 2. Okay, let's try another one. So, find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals half x minus 1 passes through the point -4, 6. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to switch this to a perpendicular gradient. So m is equal to 1 on 2. So m perpendicular is equal to -2 on 1. Because we will swap these two places here. So y is equal to, so -2 on 1 is also equal to -2. So y is equal to -2x plus c. So now we're going to put in our x and y points. So 6 is equal to -2 times -4 plus c. So -2 times 4 is 8. 6 is equal to 8. So now we are going to minus 8 from both sides. We get -2 equals c. So, final equation is equal to -2x y minus 2. I've drawn some arrows, so maybe that'll help, maybe that doesn't. Let's put that into Desmos. So y equals half x minus 1. So y equals, so first line, now second one, y equals x minus 2. And then we're looking for the points -4, 6. Where is that point? There it is. So we can see that our line passes through that point, and it is perpendicular to this original line here. I'll do one more example, and feel free to stop the video and try and work this one out yourself. So I'm going to draw a little border. Let's make that like that color. So let's do a little bit of a border there. Actually, I don't like that color. That looks bad. Okay, perpendicular to -7x minus 4 through the points 7, -6. Okay. So, feel free to pause the video and try and solve this one yourself. Okay, I'm going to get started now. So, m is equal to -7. M perpendicular is equal to now if that's negative 7 on 1, this is going to be 1 on 7, and we remove the negative, because it'll be negative that, and then those two negatives will cancel. Whoop, whoop. So y is equal to 1 on 7x plus c. So negative 6, now we're going to put in our variables. Negative 6 is equal to 1 on 7 times 7 plus c. So 1 on 7 times 7, that's 7 sevenths, which is 1, so negative 6 is equal to 1 plus c. So now we're going to remove 1 from both sides. We're going to get minus 7 is equal to c. So our final equation is equal to y equals 1 on 7x minus 7. Put that into Desmos. So negative 7x minus 4 points are negative 7, 6, and our perpendicular line is 1 on 7x minus 7. Okay, there was a mistake somewhere in my working. Let's see if we can find where I did it. Negative 7. Oh, I put the points at the wrong spot. 7 comma negative 6. There we go. There was no mistake in my working. That's a mistake in my Desmos entering. So, there you go. That is how you find the equation of a perpendicular line when given a line and another point. Thanks for watching. There is all of what we did today, and I hope to see you in the next video.